The views and opinions expressed in this show are solely those of the hosts and guests and do not reflect the views of the AMP network. Parental guidance is advised for viewers under the age of 16, as some content may include strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everybody, what is up? This is Tando Mash, Ton of the Wave. You can fucking run it around.
Off this way.
Welcome to the Girls Show episode 9. If you have been supporting us from the beginning till now, big shout out to you. And if this is your first time seeing me or just seeing About Me the podcast at all, please stay. Do subscribe, like, leave a comment, share with your friends, your brother, your sister, your granny. Don't do that. My producer behind the cameras is doing things. But yeah, please do all of that. I'm not alone today. I know it's the Girls Show, but we have the dick-bearing people here with us today. One of them, yeah, it's a man. But it's a girl's show, it's a boy. That's why the studio smells the way that it does today, because there's a boy in the vicinity.
The fuck? What?
Yo.
What?
Yo. Boys are smelly.
Yeah, bona ke la siqhela ikaka la.
Boys, yeah, yo.
What?
Iyo le how?
Uzobatshela phela ukuthi ukhipha icathulo la manje. No, kana zifaka manje.
Fasting
Don't be
kanjena.
fooled. It's only now azifaka.
Shooting nama superpower.
I mean, I can see her from here. Like iziphumile manje.
Shooting nama
Ziphumile, I can
superpower.
see them.
Shooting nama
Ngizoyitshela
superpower.
iproducer yethu umfokasteleka lapho ukuthi abheke pha. Yena it's his height vele. He's seeing what I'm seeing. He's seeing what I'm seeing.
You see
He's seeing it. Uyayibona akunayicathulo.
Yeah, he doesn't even have to bend over to look if I've got shoes on. That's the thing about him. He's so
Right.
talented, this guy.
Yes.
Wow, what a privilege.
Yes. Very
It's so
talented.
privileged.
Multi-talented.
Multi-talented, eh?
That-
Yeah, that's how we're doing.
Yeah. Oh shit, otherwise, hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Shem Kosiam. Ngagcina nini futhi nasemacamereni. I think the last time was
Wagcina
during
ngelawsuit.
Hey. Eish, rafethu. Suka lapho man wena escape. Suka entweni ephukayo kanti wenzani? Anywho, man, hey everybody, this is your boy Mfana Kasiyanda, Mr. Mbatha. Abafokazana bethiya ngamahlahla, amahlahla ethiya ngenkomo. Ngisho yena umthiya indaba ezithi impela. Yo.
Tell.
Hey Shem, ngizathini guys, ngithanda izinto nami yazi. I know I told y'all ukuthi angifaki indaba yamakhamera ngisangeni. I know last time ningibona ngangithwele ikhanda lami elikhulu ngithi hayi mina sengiright sengisifune emuva manje kumakhamera, but man, seems like people are having fun here, you know, in front of the camera. So I was
Yes,
like,
you have
man,
to answer to the call. Sounds the call to come.
Angisho uyayibona,
Yes.
uyayibona. Angenzeli mina,
Yes.
ngenzeli isizwe.
Yes.
We are building here. We are building here. Yes. Impel.
Yes.
But I must say, man, thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you for honoring my invite. I remember the first time I told you, I actually wanted to sit down with you, like me.
Oh, like, I know ngimuhle, mara most obviously I'm not a girl, most.
Excuse me.
Oh no,
I know. They're gonna come for your looks. Don't self-proclaim yourself.
Mina it's fine. Ngiyazazi ngimuhle.
Thank you.
Yabona mina
Thank
mangizazi mina.
Thank you.
Omunye uzakhulumile. I'm just
Thank
not
you.
beautiful for them. It's fine.
That's my chat. I'm
mean,
saying, but also, you know what? Let's put that aside because then it's just gonna. But what I'm saying is, no. But what I'm saying is, Gibbs, when you come for someone's looks, you need to make sure. Firstly, does my opinion matter to that person? Number one, like
Okay.
like wow, does she even know what I look like? Like, does she know? You know. But anyway, Asikola. Today's episode, I invited you specifically because, the dating game has changed. Like and we are living right in the revolution where,
Yeah.
yes, girls as women, we know what we want now. Like we know, like, and we're not settling, but. Somewhere, somehow, pick me. They're gonna say I'm a pick me for this as well.
What's a pick me?
It's a girl that wants to be chosen by men all the time.
Pick me.
They pick me. To pick me. Like
Okay.
they do things for male attention.
Oh,
and
okay.
yeah.
Ungixolele mina phela escapes nga
Yes.
phunyuka ngembobo.
Yeah, that's what I was called recently. But I understand why they did. But we all know I'm in no way a pick me because y'all know across the channel.
I mean, clearly the intro
Across
says
the
it all.
channel.
I mean, that
Exactly.
intro
it's
says
the
it all.
girls' show.
man.
Because I mean, across the channel, you can hear me
Yeah.
on Spolo at the Posy.
Yeah.
Fighting for the girlies. But anyway.
Bona nje bavele bathi nginuka amahlibeli tlang nje bathi lethu hayi studio sinuka amahlibeli tlang. How can that person be a pick me up? How can that person be
Guys,
a
I
pick
hate men. I don't like them. I promise you.
me?
But yeah, I'm saying, Guti, I feel like it comes to a certain extent where I feel there's no more humanity. Because at the end of the day, as much as there's only 5 of them in the world, good men do exist. There's
Yeah.
only 5 of them. Because the rest is
I'm one of the 5. Yimlo.
Unamang. He's lying. But anyway, so I wanted us to talk about how, like, I mean, your guys' struggle as men. And I wanted you specifically because I know that you're actually a good guy. Like, you're actually a good guy.
Ninjelile.
Well,
1 of 5, it's
Yeah.
men.
And I just want to, like, understand how the whole dating game, like, how it's changed and, you know, and how that affects you, your struggles, and also how it works for you as a man and how. Yeah, I'm tall, I'm also.
Yazi wena Skips.
Uyilanda kude manje.
In my point of view, the way I've seen things, I wouldn't say the relationship or dating game has changed. It's just there's elements that are coming in that are not supposed to be there.
Such as?
For instance, I'm gonna blame social media. Most of our relationship manje, you'll find that certain people, not saying everyone, but certain people, they base off their ideal relationship is what they see on social media, what they fed through these platforms. So at any point, magejola nomuntu athandana nomuntu, uzofuna lawo ma characteristics and mawengekho uvela bona ukuthi hayila ngidlala ngesikhathi sami.
That's true.
So I feel like another thing, because of, you know, the influences out here, I'd say, man, indaba yokubheja, the beijing concept, it's something that's always
I know
been
that
here.
you don't subscribe to it.
Yeah, I definitely don't. It's always something that's been here. Kwakudala vele abogogo bethu siyazi ukuthi vele umkhulu uyohamba ayosebenza, get that money, take care ekhaya, afike endlini ugogo velayo azidlalela ukuyeni clean, do whatever she does. We get that, and that is the natural part of things. That's the natural relationship vele njalo. But manje, because of these influences happening, people get confused, or abantu bafuna, they confuse it and see it as what you have to do this. Sekugcine, it ends up seeming like it's now a compulsory thing more than it's something out of your own ukuthanda kwakho ukuthi mina mfethu ngifuna ngithanda naye lo muntu wami. It's just like mina personally, as much as I don't beja, I'll take care of my woman.
So what does taking care of your woman entail? Guwe.
For me, it
Yes.
entails making sure, number one, ukuthi she's fed. Anything she needs, akhale kimi, and I'm able to assist with that. Anything I can provide in the plan ngayo. Mhlambe udinga transport or needs to get somewhere from A to B, or needs food for lunch, I do that. Ngithi sando sami kuleka man. Chope. notification.
Oh, your notifications. Oh my.
Anyway, na stop
Oh
there.
my.
Nasikafiki lapho.
Oh,
Siyabona
okay. Oh,
sesendlini.
Sisaya, guys.
Sisaya, lo muntu kanti.
Forgive me, Skips.
But yeah, for me, that's my definition of taking care of my woman. Nokuthi, always being there whenever she needs me or whenever apa iseka khona ngibe khona and help her out. Uthi angasweli agcine sekayobuza ngebhari lapha naku sekabuza ustriker lapha striker ngicela imali yokugibela or striker
Of which it does happen.
It does
happen because
it does.
I found myself in a similar situation as well.
Yeah.
Ukuthi, I was dating somebody and, sharp. It's not his responsibility, but maybe it was hey, not there's short again be like, hey, I'll see what I can do. I guess he's still blind.
Yo, namanje take
and then once Limanyana Parinyana day, he decides he has a smart idea, he wants to take my phone and go through it.
Oh.
What's he make a figure? What ganti? There's like somebody who sends me money.
Yeah.
Well, 2
Yeah.
or 3
Or more.
or more. Who knows?
No, so okay, askelela.
And then go by into Gucci. Why? But I'm like, yeah. But when I ask you. And then my thing is, I like it. Yazin, I mean, I hand in the plan. Like, have the plan as a man. Like, if you don't have it, okay, sharp. Vele sometimes, yabo, kapa is the saying, but every day.
Yeah.
I was
Can
ukuthi
be
against the
everything.
plan, ke uhlanganise ngapha, uhlanganise. Bengihlanganise, like, you get what I'm saying? Sharp, he would do something nyana yena at the end of the month, and I really appreciate that because I understand ukuthi in this economy, umuntu okupha noma ngabe mhlambi sithi 200 rand. That's something because like this economy is something. It makes a difference. But man, okay, sharp. There's those things nyana ke ngithi yazi endlini. Gesi. Ngizobona, I'll see what I can do. You see what I can do? Sihleli kumnyameni phela. Senze njani futhi? Yabo into ezinakanje. What was my? I had a point.
No.
But I think I gave him. Yeah, I said my point. Yeah.
Unginikile wena
Yeah.
iphuzu lakho wena escapes. Honestly, yabona in that instance, I don't blame you. Even nami, I wouldn't be surprised. Angeke ngimblame uLavi if I don't make a plan nami mhlambi and help where I can. She's gonna make a plan.
I have to make a plan.
She's gonna make a plan. Nyochintsheka nje mangabe nyazi
Yeah.
ukuthi mosimfethu mosuyazi ukuthi you can just ask
Exactly.
me and then you know I'll do it.
Exactly.
If uyayenza ayi lapho ngiyokujonga uyangihlanyela.
Exactly. And I think naye washeshe wayehlisa umoya because uyalazi taba.
Exactly.
Like, angikwazi ukungabi nayo just because wena unayo.
Yeah.
And ngiyayidinga
Yeah.
and I need to have it.
Yeah.
So,
True.
well,
True.
but
I think besides that, man, the fact Jogut I said I'll see what I can do. Or I'll make a plan. I don't know, man. I feel like it's one of those I feel like as a guy we have I'm a code of ethics. It's the 10 Commandments or a way we have to like principles that we can't break. For me, one of those principles is I will never go back on my word. If I give you my word, your
word is your bond.
Yes, my word is my bond. So if time fits all right, I'll see what I can do. I have to see what I can do.
You have to. Ungabi blind. Ufaka
Yeah.
ama-specs ubone.
Exactly. Mara ngizokutshela if iyabheda ngithi
Yes,
ayisana
then you
yabona
have to come
manje
back.
inyathela amasimbi engane manje.
Yes, yabona. You
Yeah.
have to come back usho ukuthi no yazi angisakhonanga
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
of 1, 2 and 3. I think yazi ngike ngakhuluma enye into here on the show. I think it was an episode 2 with Lelo and I said if I'm dating somebody who's around my age, I definitely ukubambisana like
Impela.
ukubambisana
Impela.
because I'm also still trying. Nayo yazama.
Yes.
Ukwazi mara ukuthi una 30 santi bese ufika kimi ungitshele nge50 uyahlanya.
No, something it must happen.
What kind of drugs are those?
Sefaneke phela masina 30 inenkinga kufanele zibonakala.
Mene zinciphe kube inkinga
I
ehlukile
mean,
but also scams ngiyasho ukuthi okay I was seeing somebody. It was so transactional, right? Casual transactional. And sharp, obvious, if injalo. And
Yeah.
he's older than me. He's like, what, 30 something.
Yeah.
Yabo. And now, into say, now I must make my own. Ngayibona nje ukuthi ngiyayibona ukuthi iyablenda ndaba yakhe
Yeah.
and angisayi entertain because There's no way. I'm 20 something, bro. Not 20. Ngithathe yonke mina le nto lena. Like,
Exactly,
how am I supposed to get like ipom 5 yokufika kuwe? The hell?
No.
No,
that's
I'm not
crazy.
doing
That's
that.
crazy.
I'm not doing
That's
that. And
crazy.
one thing about it that I don't like that your gender does is nifika nisithengise lamaphupho. I can do this. Bese ngiyajwayela mina bese ngiphakathi wena songitshela ukuthi isa ngiyabona manje. Ish.
So here's the trick with it, ne? Here's the factor part of it. 8 or 9 out of 10 times, they'll genuinely be telling you the truth. What happens is, along that journey or along the line, they lose themselves and forget where they want to reach. Gcine sebaba comfortable kakhulu in where they are now. So it just falls back. Zuzlo wena uyilibele uyasho ukuthi mos lo muntu lo mfethu uthe siyahamba lapha sithola nama 700 trillion. Kanti manje sesiphilile
trillion.
Yeah, but it happens in some cases. Some guys, due to the unforeseen circumstances, they lose themselves and they forget where they want to go.
You know, I think inkinga ikuphi wena Skebs.
Yeah.
Nifike niyenze niphule out wonke ama stops ngoba usafuna ukuzithengisa kimi ukuthi umuntu onjeni.
Enye into ile.
Kanti come as you are ngibone from ekuqaleni. If for whatever reason, if I'm deciding at that point to be shallow, if I feel like it's not gonna work for me, I feel like you're not gonna be able to afford me. Iphele vele lapho.
That's fair.
Ungangijuthi manje
That's fair.
sengingenile and now I'm used to this particular type of treatment. Phela Skebs, this person hamba isinomi kanjani, like I'd get there mangifikile I'd find a bottle of some tea or like a 6 of something or whatever the hell I'm eating well every day. Okwami, I'll just keep your
food
okay, I don't like seafood, but I'll keep your place clean.
Yeah.
But he cooked also. Oh my god,
Yeah.
we're up here. I'm 90.
Athina sayishaya ibhodo.
Yabona. Yeah, so I'll cook. I don't mind. Yabona, if I'm like treated well, I will also treat you well. You can't say to me, futhi enye into. One thing I tell most of the people that I date, ukuthi, I didn't grow up cleaning. I still don't do it. I don't do all of these things. Awukwazi ke wena ukuthi uthi angizoklina. Like let's say for instance, sharp, if I'm there, we can do it very because it's just like basic etiquette. If you're with somebody's place, you clean up, yabo. But
I wouldn't say clean up, but you help out.
Yeah, I help out.
Yeah.
But imagine your figure and your place is dirty. What the hell do you think this
That
is?
doesn't work. Okay, mara Shem, ungayithola ingcolile kimi if angitsheli ukuthi
I don't show up unannounced.
Oh.
Angifuni nje ukubona imbi like cha ngiyabonga. Thank you.
Yini benjola or was it just into ukuthi niyasnekana?
Lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye manje.
Yeah.
No, the one that specifically manje hayi lo bengithi traveling what.
Yeah.
Lo specifically we were joining, he was like, "Yeah, ngiyakubona futhi awuclean nokuclean." Like, "Excuse me." Sorry.
Yeah, no, I feel like it's what you said, man. I think intombazana mephathe kahle nayo izonethezeka.
Lalela lana. And with love, ngizoyenza nje futhi ngenhliziyo evulekile, you know.
Like a woman can be submissive without me telling her to be submissive.
That's my child.
All is with her. Manje ngiphethe kahle jo. Sengimangala ngawe manje kwakhuthala inkantini
Uthini
ngawe jo. Wabona isikini
uyabona? Uyabona?
Exactly.
Okay, but I hear you, Skebs. Okay, uyini ukubheja ke according to you?
Ukubheja for me, it's indoor. Practically the things that I have to be like ubaba ku. Ukuthi hayi sengikuthengela inakunjani I have to do your nails, I have to do your hair, I have to get your toiletries.
Mele kube ne-allowance every month.
Mele kube ne-allowance nangapha as well. For me, that's where I draw the line.
Okay.
That's where I draw the line ukuthi hayi mos lezinto. So uzenza kanjani? My question behind that is uzenza kanjani lezinto
Mawungekho. Okay, I see that.
Because I'm like, hi, when
and especially if you can do those things.
Exactly. I'm like, hi, no man, that's what it's up.
I see that.
But the basic treatment to good time for to anything, anytime utingo usizo, I'm here for you. even if you don't even need to ask. On a dizzy day nje mangibhorikile ngithi hayi Joe bamba amabloom man. Mangibhorikile ayi bamba uchocolate yazi bengilapha emoyeni.
How sweet lover. Sweet lover.
Ha.
That's the thing. Yabona ke sifike lapho ema-chocolate nezinto lezi ezincane.
Yeah.
Like, do you know ukuthi thina ne? Like,
Yeah.
sichazwa izinto ezincane kanjani? Like, no, we love big gestures. Ningathi ngoba sichazwa izinto ezincane. Bese sothenga abantu chocolate. But no.
Ngithengele stock sweet ngithi bamba nayi big
Let's
pop.
ama-rose ayi-100 and ama-100 randi. But let's say, for instance, for whatever reason, let's say you get 5K
Yeah.
as like a salary. Yabo?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
gross salary yakho is like 5,000.
Yeah.
Get maybe you wenza contribution yakhe endlini, imali ye-transport.
Yeah.
Mhlambe ke usala naleyo 2,000 nyana. Angithi ke like ngise kuphi, like we can have an indoor picnic.
Yeah,
We can
yeah,
go on
yeah,
a
yeah.
picnic. We can go like lezo zinto lezo ezincane like yabo. Ungathi manje wena just because you can't take me to like a fancy restaurant, yabo. Manje awusayenzi next just because of that.
So yes, escapes ne. That's a mistake. I won't lie. I once had that mindset a while back, like that.
A while back. Yeah.
Yeah, a few years back. I think that was like Sangen in the 2020s, vele 21, 22. Into yokuthi I've had it in me ukuthi ayisani. Yabona because I'm planning to keep umuntu wami mhlambe to labo la parada or in. I'm waiting ukuthi ngihlanganise ngizomkhipha lapho. And then it ends up dragging for too long.
It does,
Sekubanga time oswena
Even-
ubhizi uthi
yes.
sihlezi la
Yes.
endlini kanti kwenzakalani. Awusathi ke
How?
le chicken nyana
How?
mfethu KFC streetwise thunyana.
When I enjoy every day.
Yeah,
no
like
Mr.
every day angithola.
No Mr. Party,
Yeah.
like every day. It can't be
How?
like that, guys.
Exactly,
Like lezo
exactly.
zinto lezi ezincane, like yabona.
So yeah, it took a while to notice ukuthi the little things actually
They
also
really
do
do
as much
matter. And
impact.
we like to show off. Like yabona women
Yeah.
very like I think in our nature sinjalo we like to
Re rata
show
show
off.
off.
Oh, re rata show. Ha re bona batho.
Hayi nina.
Re rata show off. Oh. But like those little things, maybe like
Yeah.
you've got like a box of just like my favorite snacks.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
that
yeah,
is nice. The one guy, the guy letting it, he went through my phone, and so this one time he literally just got me my favorite snacks,
Yeah.
like espaza. Do you know how happy I was because he did that? I was like, oh, so you.
Oh baby. Tata, ikeke la konfana.
Oh my God, you are so wrong for that. You are so wrong for that. Man, I mean, then that like really touched me. Good, okay, sharp. I know you don't have a lot. Like
Yeah.
we are coming up.
It's
my
the
guy.
thought that counts.
We are like 2 years apart, so it's like the
Yeah.
thought that counts. Like that made me really, really happy. Or like the times where we would like maybe on the day that he gets paid, we sit together, we get drunk, we get
100%.
high. Like it would be not on drugs, on each other. Like those
Good
days.
save.
Those days would be really nice. Those days would be really nice because like it was just like us doing something like different.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I'm understanding of the fact that okay, man, we can't do a lot right now. But ayibe khona ni a lot ke. Okungenani, yabo.
Senze
But then-
something nyana ukubambisa
Yes.
mfethu.
Gwaya waba comfortable. That's where
Yeah.
the issue started, Guti. Like we like to be that's what for me, this is what I believe. I believe that I am the end all be all in this relationship. You mean uNkulunkulu wale relationship mali bacha swigama lami mangidumiswa kakhulu.
Hallelujah.
Ngiyadlala, I'm joking guys, but I believe that I am the princess of this relationship and I definitely believe, am I entitled? Absolutely. Absolutely, I'm very entitled. Do you know why I'm joking? But like,
No,
Mina,
but
I want you as a man to
Yeah.
do things. Like do them. Just do the things. And I'll
Definitely.
be happy. Maybe I'll
Definitely.
do something for you. Maybe ngizokuthenga stock sweet.
uyazi
How?
and nathi siyajabula shemes usidok sweet nyana
How?
mfethu. Oh my god baby ungithengeleni ungithengeli iholsi.
Oh, no! I know. Oh, see?
Uyangithanda lo sisi Joe. Yes.
Ngiyacabanga. You were about to say his games?
No, bengithi ngisasho man. I heard you when you mentioned indaba yokuthi like yes you're entitled and I'm going to digress a bit. I think enye into engathanda yazi siyeke siyabantu. We need to shy away from this thing of we're not entitled to things.
Yes.
I mean, I'm entitled to $1 billion house. I'm entitled ndoda la ngifike Maserati.
Baba.
We're entitled to
We're
roads,
entitled.
microphones. We're entitled to
We're
fucking
entitled
la
to
camera
everything.
lawa bazooka lawa wekwama.
Yeah, you
We're
are.
entitled to
We're
that
entitled
shit.
to 4K. We're entitled.
Exactly.
We're entitled to the
Yes.
big little man
Yes.
standing behind the cameras
Yes.
right now.
Yes.
What?
And there's it. How? You're on a level 68K.
Yes, you're on a little 68K.
In bed.
Skips.
Yes, my supervisor said something profound up in 17 years. She was talking about how we need to understand the language of the universe.
Absolutely.
Guti, we have to tune our inner. In bed. So we have to be in tune with the language of the universe. So guti,
Yes.
anything is within reach. Ayikho into impossible.
Absolutely.
The minute we say something is impossible, vela ngeke isayenzeke.
Remember the guy from Saturday last week?
Yes.
That guy.
Yeah.
He likes to say you're the god of your own choices.
True.
True.
If I had
True.
escapes,
Everything starts with the frequency from within.
Yes.
If deep down you don't believe that you deserve these things,
You're not
gonna
gonna
have them.
Because the thing about the universe is it can't differentiate between good or bad. What it can differentiate or what it can think of or what it can do is based on what you want.
Yes.
Your inner self and
It's
what you
based off your
believe in.
frequency.
Based on what you
Yes.
believe. If you say you want this but you believe
That you
something
don't
else,
deserve it.
izolanda le uyikholwayo
Also,
ke
if you believe that when izinto zakho mawuzifuna, you have to work hard, that's exactly what will happen. I always say that I don't believe that I have to work hard to receive things.
As I online, I actually used to think like that. Ukuthi hayi, mina vele I know into zama. And it tuned me in a way ukuthi I know ukuthi hayi, mina whenever I know like something good is coming, I know I have to work for it. That's what's khashanyana ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi hayi
And then
ngisazobhayela
beyenzeka
say.
kanjalo.
And vele beyenzeka
Beyenzeka
kanjalo.
kanjalo.
Beyenzeka kanjalo like ngithi hayi. We even gotten that. But for me, it didn't necessarily angazi even namanje I'd be lying if I said I feel like I changed that or I think it would be a bad thing because it taught me to be resilient.
Okay.
Lento leyo.
Yeah, fair.
To be able to look at I'm fair to. In as much as nayi indlu, there's more than one ways to get inside. So I shouldn't just makuvaleke long it's son.
Yes.
Fuck. Damn it. Hayi thi ngiyobheka lapha ebhekoza ukuthi khambani. Ngiyongena lapho
Nge-
as
back
well.
door.
Exactly. Ngena ama
Yes,
back door
yes.
if kanjani.
Do you know what my thing? Okay, we're not digressing. Let's just stay on this before we go back.
Okay.
So
Digressing on the digression.
we're on the digression. So like after high school, I studied logistics and supply chain management first. And,
Yeah.
and I was like, nah, I'm not doing this. Send my mom a text in the morning. Hey, I want to change this shit. I don't want this. And then I went to go and study television and radio and sharp.
Yeah.
After that, Keshap Sepele Skolo, my rent is fully paid, like for the next year as well.
Awubone ke.
My mom's like, uyaphi ngithi ngiyahamba uthi uzoyenza nje ngithi ngizothola umsebenzi.
Yes.
Like I left home. I remember I was like today ngathi mama kusasa ngiyahamba uthi uyaphi. Like I want to get a job.
Yeah.
Hawu kanjani Thando? Hayi angazi. Sobona
Sabona
khona.
khona. Yes.
Take
yes.
my things ngahamba. Like
Yeah.
yabona at that point it's because the world hadn't come and told me things ukuthi I can't do it. I was like I can do.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like that again now, but it's like I can do whatever the
Yeah.
hell I want.
Yeah.
Like if I want it, I can have it.
Exactly.
Then I go back to my place. I 3 days.
Mm.
I got my first radio job.
Look at
How
that.
they're like, okay, you need to come in for an interview. I did not have an interview. Mina ngafika abantu seba interview process seyiphelile. Sekunjalo ngafika sengene ema boardroom ngathi ya uyabona
Impela.
uyabona hayi usathi
The language of the
sabhekelwa
universe.
exactly ngisathi ngisabhekelwa I was like I want to meet abantu abakanje
Yeah.
I started I met somebody who's sure before sifika lapho my boss
Yeah.
kwachinja angisho radio there's a radio here I think in April started new lineup but chinchi lineup and then maba chinchi lineup because I was producing breakfast show
Yeah.
mas chinchi lineup he's like hey listen tells me first on the side
So, just to say, pocket thingy. what is so is there like a difference in, of course I'll say salary, is there a difference in revenue sales with regards to like the type of segment you do? Like, I don't know, good breakfast show, do they get paid more than a big graveyard shift, or is it better for big graveyard shift than...
Hey, if you can negotiate.
Oh, yeah,
Negotiate. Also, who you are. Some radio jobs really pay. There are people who get paid.
Oh, yeah?
Out here. Hey, there are people who get paid out here. Like, there are people who get paid. But a breakfast show, drive time show, they put the best people on them.
Okay.
Because also that's when there's the most traffic. That's also where there are the most ads. That's where the most money comes in because of how many people are listening. Because one, breakfast, people are going to work, they're driving to work, they're listening to the radio. Abanye, they listen to the radio while they get ready. It drive time show, people are coming 3 to 6, people are coming from work.
Yeah.
Everybody's tuned in, you understand. The best like Laba, maybe from breakfast people are 9, from 9 to low 3 low.
Is it not 9 to 12?
In. Breakfast is 6 to 9 or 5 to 9.
Oh, being sure the other segment, like after
no,
that,
we're
6
saying
to 9.
saying I should pay in between.
Okay.
In between, then there's those other shows. They can also get paid a lot of money depending on who you are. We always negotiate. Who are you? Yeah, but jobbing such.
Yeah.
My boss then he sends me a voice. Even like I thought this guy didn't like me. Yo, I thought this guy talks to everybody. He never talks to me. What the hell?
Yeah.
But also at the time, when Mangi in a new environment, I don't talk a lot. Like I do a lot of observing at the time. Okay, that's why to see also where I can fit. But also there's just a thing for until
100%.
somebody.
No,
Other people they speak easily.
Okay.
Yeah,
true.
they speak easily. Yeah. So he was like, no, we want to change you from breakfast and put you on drive because we feel like you're the best producer we have. And I was like,
say
yes,
less.
I'm the best.
What the fuck?
Always.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
That's what I believed. Like that's what I believed. That's what I believed I was.
Kanti manje what went wrong? Kanti kwale?
Ngiyakulandisa phela nangumlando.
Yeah.
I get my second radio job while I'm working that job. So now I've got 2 jobs.
Yeah.
I'm like 20 at that time. I haven't turned 21. I have 2 jobs. I live in one of the best apartments in Bram.
Yeah.
Top floor. The biggest, the best apartments. Like, I'm living, Skebs. Skebs, I'm living.
Yes.
At the time, my mom and I are becoming cool. Like, we're becoming like, well, I'm being spoiled.
Breadwinner manje phela.
I'm still breadwinner next. I'm fucking next. Sometimes when you get 200. But she wasn't even fussy about. I'd even go home. Like every 2 weeks I'd go home and I'd pay for my own meals, but the head would be her.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I got the second job. Okay, pay the contract la payana. Get another radio job again.
Yeah.
I get to work with one of the person whose drive time show I was producing. Uyankasha on his production, the Queer Superhero show. I get to meet nice names. I've met Saul at some point.
Saul Penduga.
Yeah.
Oh,
he's
nice.
He's a nice guy.
Nice.
I met Konjuba, ex-husband Gasomi's. Mohale.
Yeah.
Lovely person. He's so lovely.
Nice.
I actually met a lot of people. I met who's that guy? Una Rams, very lovely guy. We met him at Stop. Like I made a lot of connections at the time.
Yeah.
Just like things were flowing. I started my own thing. EBC. I got a manager. I Tati Sharp Kev. I don't know how, but still, I was still like doing that whole thing. I got to go to Boston Media House. It started when my mom died. And then I started like, go up the brain looks for evidence. It starts to look for every bad thing.
Yeah.
So then you start not believing zonke is in the it's like a slippery slope. Slowly but surely, because and then I kept asking, why are things coming so easy? Everybody's got like a struggle story. Why Minezami is into this?
I say less mfethu.
Say less.
Yes.
Then I saw again when I started bringing back my frequency. I started bringing back my frequency. I was like, let me see if I can trick myself to think I'm good looking.
Yeah.
And I did. And people also started believing it. I test and people started believing that. I'd see, even when I was walking around, people would even say, like, wow, you look good. In. I was like, I'm going to lose weight. I didn't work out.
Yeah.
Given I felt sick, but I still lost the weight.
Yeah.
And then,
oh man, wangikhumbuza as chilling music and excursion days. That is ingakanani. Oh man.
I was so sad. Oh my god, yo. Yes.
Check us out, man. If you're on the channel, check out our musical excursion. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Even the first episode that was posted on the channel.
Yeah.
Like I had big cheeks. I was sure. But when I think this is my like, because anyway, I digress. So then I started saying, let me see if I can trick the universe to tell it that I'm lucky.
Yeah.
I'm lucky. I kept telling myself that until I believed it. This one day, my sister sends me to go buy her pizza.
Yeah.
I figured the one is the guy young buzu fune one right to one, but I delay one. I go to ShopRite, I buy. I take a chocolate lay pataligang. Oh, figure Debonez, Bangladesh about pizza too.
Okay, we say the pizza was 2 years and we have been Yes.
I took it, I ate it. Second time it happens, I go to the mall. So we bought from 3 different restaurants that night.
Yeah.
Wonke, I'm a restaurant now, make me something extra. Wonke, I got something extra.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Like
the
then
thing,
I
man.
started becoming lucky because what you believe, that's what. I think I'm so lucky, but if you don't believe it, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, it isn't. You have to believe, illustrate.
Absolutely.
I'm lucky. Because you can say it, but if you don't believe it, when now.
But it's like you
not
have
gonna
to practice this thing. You can't just say it once.
Yeah.
You believe it, and then like you move with the freak. It's crazy.
I think,
It's crazy.
I think we should understand. It's not like it's an overnight thing.
Yes, it's not an overnight thing.
Man, just saying like,
It's a process.
definitely not. It's a process.
One thing I do believe in is process.
Yeah.
And another thing you need to realize is that universe, God, ancestors in but the people around you.
Yeah.
It's the people around you to give you zonke listen to this. So they don't just come. You find out like also when you is pew.
Yeah.
We all know abantu who've got lesos pure leso. We are ne.
Yeah.
They ucela hey nemakhehla ngicela imali hey makhehla ngicela ukuthi bogogo ngicela ukuthi angeke ifike kanje. Okay, it used to come like that to me, but I didn't know what was happening.
Yeah.
But now that I know, if mhlambe they give you an idea ukuthi
Yeah.
hamba uhlangana no striker namhlanje uhlangane no striker athi hayi man yazini bamba kaso mzami. What was I saying? What was I saying? Aye, man, give me your point.
Oh. So, okay, I guess you guys will see there's a bit of a technical thing that happened just now. But while we were sorting that out, sakhuluma nje lana siyabangani. And then Tanda saying, ngiyisgwili and shit. So, mina ngitayi wena uyahlanya and whatnot. So it got me to think, it actually made me think or get back to how it touches on this conversation we're having, man, of the language of the universe. Impela ngabe ngiqamba mangathi there's ever been a time where I really felt broke. Even when I didn't have money, some way, somehow, I planned bihlangana vele. Some way, somehow. Because nyakumbula immediately after college, I didn't even have that worry ukuthi fuck, what now? Mangqedi look graduate. I'm like, yo, mele apply my airline, see something at the airport. I was like, hey man, ngizabonakala plan. Even nongena kuleyo college, I wasn't even planning on going there. Honestly, bengazi ngiyenzani after high school. I even considered ukuthi angisale ngiyojoin amasoja ke man. And then my mom told me about some college EPT training aviation. So they teach you to be a cabin
crew,
flight attendant, to be part of a cabin crew, customer service, all that nakunjani. But might as well. Njani le course bathi awungena Monday, awungena Tuesday. Fuck. Oh, see,
Kurelaxiwe.
I-weekend ngayithola iphela nini on fucking Monday ngibuyela Tuesday. I'm like, oh, see. Oh, what?
Aziye mfana.
Ngai. Laphayana really amazing. I think that place shaped me a lot. The way ngakhona especially with regards to that's the first time I got in touch with iphathi yami socialize. I'd say before during high school, I share me. Yabona uSiyanda was high school no Siyanda manje completely different people because Siyanda wakudala was very reserved. Very reserved. Ngiyakutshela yabo compared to manje manje ke manje sengiyaziphaphela but dala very reserved. Yabo even now besidlulana esikolweni nengenge.
Yeah, but we didn't know each other esikolweni. But like I didn't think you angikaze ngadlula bayana uthulile.
Really?
Hayi, ngabe ngiqambela futhi nino school bengicanga ukuthi nema twins. Bese uBenini would be there amfishana one. Oh serious. Ubeke you serious lo. Asitshela lo fana lo.
Saka full next.
Kevin. It was tshela lo mfana lona ke.
Amazi shine chiscope lapha manje lapha nebunch. Bambe kanje
u. Nebunch uthena ama specs ngithi ay serious ke lo. I wonder ufunani kula bafana bagana.
Yeah.
Yami nasho bengiziboyela ihlonga ndlebe shame.
Oh my God, what?
Seriously.
Yo.
Seriously.
But okay, I think I hadn't gotten my confidence. Only after high school, so college.
I don't think anybody was confident in high school. Okay, I was, but not like I am now. I feel like like being a teenager was horrible, guys. Let's be honest. Being a teenager was horrible. Constant self-doubt. Constantly embarrassed. Like you're constantly embarrassed. You're always horny. You can't do anything about it. You've never even had sex. You haven't in your life. But you're always horny. You know what? But I can't do it because what the fuck was going on? I
don't know if you girls used to do it. But
we all did that. What's funny about it?
The fuck?
What was funny?
And am I when you think exactly like I'm stupid.
Like we are swab ukuthi like unecathulo ezintsha.
Oh, yo.
Exactly.
Exactly. Like what the hell?
Ushaye cough like uyakhohla. Okay, it's funny.
Actually.
Why?
Yo, yakumbula in high school, I remember I think it was grade 8. Yeah, grade 8. I can see they used to swap us out with grade 9 students. So like half of the class like grade 8 would write number grade 9. Grade 9 would write number grade 8.
Yes.
So I remember Intomazana was paired with next to me was in grade 9. Oh, my word. Intomazana enhle kanjani. Eish. Ngeke ngilisho igama lakhe.
Basa kubamba ngelosuku.
Hey, azingishanga ama defamation. So I remember I used to have flu back then. Ngize ngisaba keep it cold.
Shame.
I was like, oh my God.
What are you gonna do?
But it was really crazy as students. But yeah, I really got my confidence in high school, in college.
At that point.
Ngikhumbula vele I didn't even take the initiative. Bengilezi eziphakamisa isandla qala makubuza question. Answer what the fuck?
I was scared.
Dengakaze ngiyenze le high school. So I really found my voice lap. And I think the nice thing about it was people were receptive of my energy. They reciprocated that energy. So after that, after college, we graduated. And then the lady Lapayana, that was part of the admin team or a receptionist, I used to be close with her. So in Jala, when I'm police, hey, Adele, Fede, good see how are you? Oh, like a fish and chops. Like every time, we had that so much so good team. Like Mang Figa and Jala, my routine was Exeni, I make my way. I was usually the first people to come because it's like my plazin. Yo. So in Jalo Mang Figa, Kenya Mbulisa, put my bag down, go back to her. I get the key. I assist with whatever I need to help out with. So after that, baqala ukungithumanyana bathi yazi would you mind helping around nje wangibuza if I wouldn't mind ngathi fuck let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
Oh libe nginceda kanjalo vele they even decided to give me like a stipend but mfethu sikubambe ngalo
bona.
so everything nginile ngithole leyo 4 clipanyana like oh
4 clipper at that time.
yo let's alali 4 clip uthini wena son. Then afterwards they even started taking me out ngiyenza ama open day for them. I go with one of the instructors, we go to a mall, we showcase to our students. They were college yenza so. So it was really good. Very stable for some time really. Even after say we do good sengiyavele on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Sebaze ba set up baga mfethu so shaya my banking details once thumelani mfethu. After that she's the one that told me ukuthi yazi bayaqasha lapha e-airport awufuna ubatsenelela ngithi mfethu asipatsenelele sibone ikhambani athi mfethu akuna stress ngizoku-applyela lapha ngizakubeka stars. Applied, that's how I got to the airport. Got the job. Vinalap, very good sailing, smooth sailing. So I'd be honest, I'd be lying if I said I've been unlucky, man. I that's one thing I've known. As much as I'm being confident or something, I always knew what I mean.
You were like
one person on it, like me, So yeah, that comment you made just reminded me of that.
And another thing that makes things come easily is letting go.
Yeah.
Like when you
yeah.
like when I'm more frustrated, I can't do this. And then I can do it, but then you get so fixated on the thing. You must just let it go. Believe it, then let it go.
Out.
It's going to work out. It's going to work out. Yabona, I have to say one thing that has taught me patience is this.
Yeah.
It's Amp. Amp has taught me patience. Like,
yo.
I-patience ngendlela angazi ukuthi ngizoyichaza ngithi yinto enjani, but and we go upon we'd get to points where we don't even see what we're doing anymore. But we just keep doing. Because we know Uguti. There was no point in time where I was like, this is not going to work out. There was no point in time. I was always on
never
some.
That doubt.
It's
gonna work out. It's just a matter of when.
It's working out.
Yes.
This thing is a process.
Yes.
We are born from last sugar corner. You see. Ukuthi siqale mawubheka ama video back then bese orange kuchinja color kube yellow kuchinja color kube blue kube njani like and you see
uthi pressa lapha sound card delay inyanyise solwa nayo lapha yana
asichoke ama mic
apha siyachokwa
basitelela abantu.
You know what the most traumatizing thing for me was when we were starting that walk we did from N19 to a studio. Motherfucker. Lishaya la ilanga laseduduza.
Lapha sinamali lokha.
Yo, skephethe namakhamera umthwalo nangapha. Yo.
Uthi uyabuya imvula ishaya.
Yo wena.
Ishaya imvula. Ayibe ishaya imvula. Ngikhumbula that day sesesikhitshima sesijumpa namafence.
Yeah.
Yo.
That was really crazy.
By the grace of God, by umusa wabantu abadala.
We are moving.
We are building.
That's the one thing I love, Uguti. In as much as Tina, and I think even that, I think we've mentioned this on the show before, Uguti. Sometimes we're seeing abantu around us. For us, we still like.
I'm not like that. Yes, I'm gonna figure that but I need time, man. I know who the fuck we is. I know. I have no doubt that we're the shit.
I mean, it took me some time. But for me, I always thought, I always see, the way ngisasibona as seselapha nememeza sabathenelele.
It is definitely not like that. It is definitely not like that.
It's like, only now when you think about it, manje, it's not just, we aren't just a YouTube channel, manje, but we are a media corporation.
We are that. We're a media.
A network, we've got other shows under us. We've got other shows we're curating.
We've got other things that we are doing. We've got different departments that do different things. Like, that's why I was saying the other time, Guti, the scandal that we had, because this is going to come out months later, the scandal that we had a couple of months ago, that came at the right time. It came at the right... there are all the relevant departments to deal with it. We don't even have to deal with it.
Ayakhumbula kudala awakubele isithole sesele memeza
Kubi sole sasememeza ngabe
same time we kala sasathi manje
number 1 ngabe sisusile
Yo.
ngabe bathema bathi sathi no guys we have to remove it. We have to keep our yakhumbula we had that whole image that we said we're keeping an image and we're staying away from controversy and controversial. Controversial ibambe thina. We want
Yo.
That's why when did I say this when I said Abamekji I play the controversy.
That's what
I'm not
that's
saying
what
yes.
they came.
I'm not saying Uguti right by saying the things that he says he's not, but he doesn't plan it. Saying he bonita because
it just happens. You say something and unfortunately we can't please everyone. We can't please everyone.
You can't.
Khona umuntu oyizwa kahle. Namanje mangasuza. Khona bazohleka khona bazokwata.
Exactly. Nalento siyishoyo manje. Someone's going to take it and twist it.
Yes.
Ayenza lento afuna ukuyenza yona. It's like I'm saying ukuthi I said somewhere ukuthi I acknowledge what I did wrong.
Yeah,
I do acknowledge it. Ukuthi okay, sharp. As a woman, I shouldn't have been sitting there laughing about when we were talking about another woman's anatomy. I should have known better. I do know better.
But you weren't laughing at the anatomy.
I was laughing at the awkwardness of the situation itself. I couldn't have been laughing at another woman like that. And what I want to say also in regards to this is Uguti, you will do one bad thing. One. Because I'm telling you right now, every show that is on our AMP network.
Dala sithukuthandwa shemyazi.
Dala ngikhuluma against me like dala. I say one bad thing, it goes viral. Tando Mesh is a fucking piece of shit. She is all of that. We go for her looks. We go for this. Agagezi. This and that. Yabana, if that came at that time, it would have depressed me to the core.
Yeah.
But because now I think so highly of myself, I am so confident in who I am. Yeah. I'm so sure of myself that if anybody else says anything, it's like, that's what you believe. I'm not.
At the end of the day,
I'm not worried about. There are about 6 people in the world whose opinions I care about, and none of the people that made comments about me are people that make that list of those 6 people. So it's just like I don't even know what they look like.
Exactly.
And yet. But that's okay. Also, how can you say, it's like, let me give an analogy. It's like saying, Tando broke the vase. So we're going to fix this vase by breaking it. Because now we're just doing the same thing. But anyway, trail back. But for me, I know that we're the shit. I know. Like, I know. We step into the scene, Nixali pool. Like, I'm not.
And that's not because Snuga Makwapa.
No, I'm not sure I'm
Ah, Suga.
But, like, I know. Like, I'm sure. I'm sure. Because even people are now coming to ask for jobs, to ask for. Not all of them that are asking for these things or people, but abantu abasteleli like abaningi futhi they're coming back. Angazi noma bakhohliwe noma kunjani, but that for me is just confirmation ukuthi nabanye abantu bayayibona ukuthi bakanje. And also you can see in how the stares that I get when I'm walking in public. Abanye baze ukhona umunye ongimemezile on Thursday ongimemeza sitaxi. I'm just like, what the fuck is that? But then I remember konje. There was that whole thing where we were trending not so long ago. Yeah.
But I don't think it's because of.
What do you
I don't know, man.
I
feel like parents.
It's because of that.
But I'm not usually on screen.
Yeah,
though.
but still, they know who you are. Like for a long time, this thing used to mess with my head. Like it used to mess because I'm like, what is there something wrong with me? Like then when people actually started like coming up to me to talk, I was like, oh, that's the thing. That's the thing. I wonder when it's like on like a bigger scale.
Yeah.
Because like I mean when it's not this
we are growing.
When it becomes like a thing with like yo.
We are growing, Chief. We are building.
It's the thing. That's the idea behind this whole thing. Vele asiyenzeli ukuthi siloku kuba ihobby siloku sihleli la ekhasi. No. This thing is
sidlisa makhaya wethu
amakhaya wethu, amakhaya amaningi.
We are building.
Exactly,
yeah,
exactly.
We are building.
Baningi abantu abayolala bedlile because of what we do. Like futhi, futhi.
No, injalo wena Skips. Injalo.
Yeah. How did we get here?
Definitely digressed. And if it's cool ngama relationship, yo, mado yazi with these things, I've noticed there's these things, man, they just flow ngokwazo.
No,
they
yeah,
just
mara
flow
should be
ngokwazo.
ngamelanga sikhulume ngomjolo.
Just happens.
Umjolo suvashila ngelinye.
Yeah, should say sabona ngelinye ilanga jo. Should nawe mele ujoyela ke sokhuluma ngayo. Umntwana ngimenzele sona so. Ngathi kanje. But when I actually, what is you asked me, you know, what my thoughts are on the current climate, my relationship. What's your climate looking like? What's your understanding
what's
of it?
my observation?
Your two
Your observation.
Observation. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh man,
My
I honestly
observation.
thought that was a real name.
I know. No.
Observation. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that?
Ngithi Kevin ndoda
ukuthi
wane equivocal wenzani kanti
Cute. Yazini Kevin uyaphapha shem. Uyaphapha Benini. Yeah, I am happy that women are slowly but surely finding their voices and realizing what they actually deserve. I am not happy that they take it too far sometimes. Ne?
Yeah.
In a sense that how you jola no tebu khoshlele khona okay utebu khoskholi 5,000 mara ma esofuna ama rosa na 100 rand. Doesn't make sense. If you want that, kumele ujole nomuntu okwazi ukukwenza.
Oyikhonayo.
Yes.
Naba even
yes, nalabafana anikwazi ukuloku uncomplain ukuthi wena uyi-gold digger mara awuna gold to dig. Like that doesn't make sense. You can't accuse me of being a gold digger ngijola nawe temuho. Gold.
Yes, escapes. I think ifika lapho glento ukuthi you find some guys akuthembisa izulu nomhlaba manisa shelana la.
Bese masengifuna le. Masengilifuna izulu nomhlaba usakwazi unginikeza.
I think that's where ifika khona ukuthi umjida uzothi hayi gold digger ini but bra umjwayezile. Mina I feel like umuntu uyamjwayeza.
Exactly.
Regardless of whether mina noma ngajwayena neslay queen emfethu mawukuthi manje siyovuka ngemovite siyodla imovite la siyodla imovite akunama muesli ama mimosa nani nayi oros lapha nayi fusion drink pop what the fuck exactly now ngupupudlo mfethu how simple
Yes.
so uyamjwayeza man umuntu in as much as we can complain but uyamjwayeza umuntu and it's not ukuthi uyamchinja but you showing them how you want to be.
And it's not like you can't leave that relationship if it's not working.
At
like,
the end of the day.
sometimes you'll act like, I'm so bound to this. I can't leave. You can leave if you don't want. I promise you can leave for the small things. You don't have to wait to as a cheat or like shy. You can leave if you feel like financial is not working for you, Poma. But I was saying.
Yes, for us guys, ne. It's not easy to leave a relationship. You know why, ne?
Why?
Naturally, Tina. I think it. Okay, quick disclaimer. I'm not a life coach. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a psychologist.
Yeah.
Angiyazi lento engikhulumayo sengikhuluma into engicabangayo. My opinion, my view. I believe that as guys we hardwired to soldier on. Yabona bethi indoda yangena empini like indoda ekhali. Mabethi indoda ekhali I feel like it's deeper than the fact yokuthi literal tears.
Yeah.
But what that means is yes, sifele China. So in as much as manje things might be bad, we have this idea engqondweni ukuthi time fethu eventually it's going to work out. Lo muntu ngiyamfuna and I love this woman. So I don't want ukuthi if lo muntu lakampela ubambo lwami angifuni isihlukaniswe into edom.
I think everybody's like that. Do you know why I say? Because I realize that I'm not like that. And I realize that a lot of people follow that mindset. I do not hesitate. angithi ngiyogibela locally ngobe sengiyafika bese mangifika ngibe taxi eJozi mangifika eJozi ngizothola you know
ulahla manje wena bangathi ubutayo usuzeleni futhi ngiyahamba
but in as much as it decision yami obviously I have to make sure ukuthi ngiyenza decision right. I think about it for some time bese ngiyayihlala maybe a month or two ngilokhu ngi-observe ukuthi iyakwazi na ukuchintsheka lento le iyakwazi but ngizokulahla yonke.
So while you observe while usayicabangisisa, did you at any chance raise this?
Yes.
Sweetie pie.
Absolutely.
What naphelela laphi manceda? What uzochintsha yena?
Uyabona, I don't like to make an example about the relationship lena, but because it's my most recent and I feel most character building relationship, because this relationship lena taught me really taught me about myself and about what I really want, because Yona, it wasn't too bad. I don't want to lie, it wasn't too bad. Like compared to all of my relationships, it was the better one. But then I started realizing ukuthi kwaba ne growth game, ne? There was a certain growth and I was like awuthi ngizame ukubona ukuthi naye uyakwazi ukuyigate like uyakwazi ukufika like ukule growth ngabona ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ngilokhu ngiyazikhuluma but they keep happening and into ezincane I get pissed off by I'm not somebody escapes awukwazi wangibona ngikwatile. Have you?
I've seen you frazzled.
Yeah, but you've never seen me.
I think last week Sunday ngasho ngithi ukwatile nje
what was I mad about?
You seemed frazzled. Last week Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday.
Last week Sunday. Last week Sunday bonge kuhleke nothando. I don't know why. It seemed like that ngathi la.
You know, there's a reason for that. That was not me. But angisumuntu kwatayo, but the tiniest of thing can piss me the fuck off and I'll blow this motherfucker up. And imagine mangilongi ngikutshela ukuthi yazini awuyekele lento eyenzayo bese uyavuma bese uyayenza bese mawuyenza uyahleka.
Okay.
Yo ngiyayibona ukuthi futhi mase ngikhuza into enkulu ngeke izikhuzeke mos nama tendency nyana snacks ngiyabona ukuthi I can't. Also this person isn't willing to grow up right now. So wait, what was your question?
Bengibuza ukuthi during the time, angisho you said when
then you're observer.
Yes.
Because yeah. I think the relationship
no usiqala osbeva.
Observation. Yeah, observer.
Yeah.
Iphele in the beginning of December, the relationship. I started seeing zonke lezi zinto I think
in the beginning of December.
Of October. Funny enough, the first time we broke up was then, but was for different reasons. But ngaqala ngo-October ngiyabona ukuthi this is not the life I want. This is not how I want to be loved. This can't be it can't be that. It can't be. We were on a call and he said something ekumele siyenze and into esijwayele ukuyenza kahleka because I was like, what the fuck are you saying me? Ngeke, sorry. I'm not.
Benenzani? Amara ngifuna ukwazi. Benenzani?
No. No, because
angeke uyiqale Thando bese ushiye kanjalo ebhendeni. No.
Asikwazi ukuyikhuluma.
Was it the ziggy hayi?
No, obviously we have sex, we're in a relationship.
Manje
it wasn't that. No, angifuni ukumbeka on blast. But
can you try and describe it without being in detail about it?
No, I can't. No, I'll tell you off camera. But Leonto Leo, ngahleka ngaze ngaba right.
Yeah.
Bese ngathi mangiceda angeke ngize ngiyenze. Like njengoba ngithi I'm not doing that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. And then I will understand. Because one thing about you guys know, like niyazi ukuthi actually lento lena is not the way. Just because manje you start to get comfortable like bese uyabona ukuthi it can pass, but you know deep down you know what I want and you know how to treat me right. You know what I deserve. But angeke uzunginikeze because so comfortable and ubona ukuthi comfortable. I don't think beka expected ukuthi ngizoyiqeda le relationship. I don't think beka expected. Because you guys remember how I was also during that time. I spoke like I spoke good things about him. Like
yazi, let me tell you a tell yokuthi it's worked for me. How I've noticed sometimes when a relationship is about to dip. The minute sesiqala ukuyikhuluma kahle kakhulu manje, that's a bit of a sign ukuthi ngathi la kuyochaya. Especially if into ukuthi like njalo anikhulumbe njalo ukuthi yeah, all of a sudden umuntu osakuphatha kahle can't do no wrong in your eyes, you start suspecting laba ngathi khona bakufihlayo ke laba, trying to compensate for something. Not sure what's happening here.
Or was that a tell for my? Is that what you? Wait, what are you saying?
No, I'm just saying it's a tell.
When you look at a couple and you see what's accent and next wrong.
When you, like when you speak praises about your relationship or about your partner, in most cases, ingathi kuyawe laphansi.
Okay, I get it.
Seems like so usho nje. Yes, uyasitshela nathi so we can be aware, but ngathi uzama ukuzijutha myself. Ukuthi vele ngithi man, no man, I think if I say it enough I'll
got
believe
to that
it.
point.
Yeah.
I think is that what you observed about it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Kuba ungijelile mara now.
Hayi mina ngena.
Because mara like you're my brother, don't tell me,
ngiyacabangela ngiyathula.
I think into mina eyangenza ukuthi nginotice ukuthi ngathi I don't belong here. I was having a conversation with his mom and he told me he met somebody who knew my mom.
Yeah.
Then I started thinking, actually, what would my mom say about this relationship?
Okay.
And I was like, nah, she wouldn't be happy about it. And I counted the reasons why she wouldn't be happy about it. And then ngabona actually, I do not belong here. Not to say there was anything. I feel like if he found someone abanga understand nanai, bangaba ne relationship efaya futhi, and I wished that for him. I wanted him to get somebody he is going to understand as well, because I didn't feel seen in that relationship. I didn't feel understood. He doesn't know my like what kind of music I like. I know what kind of music he likes. I know what kind of food he likes. I know how he likes his food. He doesn't know any of those things about me. He doesn't know what actually pisses me off. He doesn't know what actually makes me happy. He doesn't know what I actually like to talk about. The things that I want to do. Maybe he knows some of my dreams because I tell him, but I didn't feel seen. I won't lie and say he didn't love me. He did. But I wish he loved me less and understood me more.
Okay.
Because I feel like the highest form of love is understanding someone. I didn't feel understood. And I saw Guti somewhere, somehow, my lifestyle with ayaklasha. And how he thinks, where his mentality is not where mine is. Yeah. And that relationship for me was a lot about being comfortable than anything. I just needed somewhere to be comfortable. I feel like I also entered that relationship for the wrong reasons.
Okay.
I'll be a man and accept that. I entered that relationship for the wrong reasons. I didn't enter it because I actually wanted to build. I just needed someone.
Just enjoy someone to be with.
Which is crazy because it's actually the longest relationship I was ever in. It was nice to be in it because but ngiyabona ukuthi lesigaba engizongena kuso in my life asimdingi because akafuni ukukhula at this point and I can't rush him. It's unfair.
Yes.
I need to think about what it took for me to get to this point that I'm at now.
He's also gonna get there, but
at his own pace, and also he needs somebody also understand that. Also, abazo understand ukuthi because some of the things I would do. Because like you like, now why you why do you ask so many questions? Can't you, like naturally I'm inquisitive. Maybe he needs somebody who's not gonna question. I question everything. I have whys for everything. Maybe he needed somebody onyekaza I'm questioning. Like this lazy. You need to find a balance. Mina ngifuna umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi ngiyenzeni. Uyangidina futhi moyenza kanjani.
Bashila belungu bathi ama each to their own.
Yes, ama each to their own, scared.
Yeah, you just have to find the shoe that fits you.
Exactly. Hey manje ngapho uyazingena abantu abadala hayi.
Yeah.
Masebathe hayi. And I remember I prayed about it because I was like, Sharp, I'm not I'm not so bad.
Yeah.
Just like I asked God, good man, give me one sign and I'll leave. Ngahlangana nomunye wabodakwe kabi.
Yeah.
Loba lona wangimele shop scabs wangimela wathi ngicela ukuhamba nami futhi ufuna ukungishela angibhora lo baba. So ngibangela isicefe. He started telling me things and I was like, "Oh, okay, this was the sign." Like he started saying, I can't say what he said. I'll tell you off camera.
Man.
I'll tell you off camera.
Oh my god.
No, because then now I don't want to put him.
Yeah,
in
yeah,
I'll tell you
yeah,
off camera.
yeah,
I'll tell
yeah.
you. But this man just started
Ngizongitshela.
saying things like I shouldn't accept in and I shouldn't settle for this, I shouldn't settle for that. When masofikile lana yenza kanje, yenza kanje, yenza kanje.
Okay.
And it coincided a lot with some of the visions I was getting. Coincided a lot with what somebody else told me, and I was like,
1 + 1 is 2.
kuphelile. And like I couldn't
get that.
revive. I couldn't even go and see him in that time. I think
Eish.
we spent about 2 months Singapore before I ended the relationship.
Eish.
Because I was like, I couldn't bring myself to. Also, I was just like, Ish, what am I gonna say? And just one day, I decided what as in, because it actually happened. Walk phone and that's what became a catalyst to what as in. Let's just. Let's just end it. And he also said, well, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah, but being such would stayed some relationship
Yeah,
before
yeah,
we
yeah.
digressed. I feel like we can all do better.
Yeah.
We can,
Yeah.
all of us can do better.
True.
With women, if you want something, go to the person that can do it. With men, you don't shy, you don't abuse, man. More frustrated, I'm not telling you to be frustrated now. Or stay away from umjolo until ulungisa impilo yakho. Uyazi ukuthi manifesto kwamantombazana indoda you must work.
Leyo.
Indoda you must
What?
work. It's manifestayo. Nama says ngiyadlala. But here's the thing.
Yeah.
You guys become very frustrated when you don't have money.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngiyanibona no
Angisho.
you don't even there's that confidence that is missing there, and when that's like that, and let's say for instance that I can and you can't at that point, it emasculates you and I don't know, and then you're frustrated, you start becoming violent.
Angisho Scapes, it gets back to the point lebengisho ukuthi as guys we naturally wired a certain type of way. One of those things
Is to be a provider.
yes. So manje, the mere fact that isikhathini samanje, the way you provide is determined by imalo nayo and the wealth you have. So if you don't have leyo mali, uyabona ukuthi hayi ngingani ngilamos ngoba angiprovide yimo providelwayo. Sengibona kahle ukuthi hayi ayikho mos into engiyenzayo la. So it is fucked up. I do agree. It is fucked up that some guys, instead of using that in a constructive manner, they let it distract them. Good
They end up becoming jealous.
They end
and
up being
insecure.
jealous. So gcine so cekela umuntu wakho phansi. Yabo mina nene as
So
much
ufuna
as
ukumtrapha ngomntwana.
uyabona ke. Eish.
Because
That's it.
one thing about it, I know the whole stigma out there ukuthi
Yeah.
amantombazana atrapha abafana ngabantwana. Amadoda ayatrepana. Yo!
Uyabona la masliki no manje. La mathuke wa manje.
Uthi ubheke manje. Uthi
Yeah.
uyevarsity meet.
Yeah.
Uthi
Yeah.
uyenzani
Yeah.
meet.
Yeah.
You even see it with maybe other big names where you were like, hey, this girl was going. She was going and she met an asshole. Oh, what meet his.
Yeah.
Oh.
It happens, man. It happens. So, iba buhlungu lapho man ukuthi some guys we don't use that constructively ukuthi sithi this is a wake up call ukuthi I need to do something.
You need to
with
do
my
better.
life. Sengicina manje ngicekela umuntu wami phansi and all of that because I feel like mina so I'm going to say something ne yangikhumbuza manje ngicabangisa about my thoughts on, I don't know if it applies to this chat or not, but my views on gender equality. For me, I feel like the current definition or the current way or the current conception people have about gender equality, it's not doable. The reason why I'm
Impossible.
saying that is because manje, gender equality manje, in essence, you'll correct me if I'm wrong, but the way I've been viewing it, it's almost like it's teaching women to live without men or forcing women to become like men. Whereas I believe a woman, the best thing a woman can do for a man is to be the best she can be, womanly speaking. So by that saying, Shuguti, I feel like gender equality, yamampela, will be in a society we have.
If everybody is themselves.
Yes, where we have a man that is strong, and for a man to be strong, he needs a strong woman. and the strong woman needs to obviously be that support structure. They have to work together, coexist. Coexist. So I'm not happy the way gender equality manje is perceived with the men. Women have to be men.
Do you know why that happens?
Why is that?
It's because men don't take being men seriously. It happened
Okay,
so
why
much
you showing
so.
that?
It happened so much ngaleyo ndlela leyo that we had a lot of households where the mom was the mother and the father. Do you get what I'm saying? Men don't take their roles as men seriously. Do you guys understand how serious it is to be a man?
Serious.
It's a very serious thing. But
serious.
He golf 8, he golf 7, ifru pa 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 pa. Kimatanga, kiselpigo, salavuma, in and out of clubs. Ushiya abantwana endlini.
Angisho
Ubashiya nomama wabo endlini. And then iyaphela imali yakho. Wena lesitradini. Then me as the woman, I have to make things happen. I have to become the man and the woman of this household. Ukhona marangata uko. Or you're being a father, you're fathering all these children, but none of these children know you. Like they know mhlambe ke shapa unamali, but you are not there physically, you are not there financially, you are not there for anything. This lady has to pick herself up and become both the man and the father. They have to become the mother and the father in that household. Sometimes, yes, it happens. Sorry. Ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukugqoka ibhruku endlini. Yet, there's a man in the house and who's willing to be the man. But when there are so many factors. It's how people grow up. It's what they see when they grow up. But this happened because men forgot to play their roles. Also, women, somewhere, somehow, because we all have a part to play in this thing. We also forgot, as women, our role in the household as well. Yeah, you guys mean ne?
Yeah.
But we are the backbone. Umfazi
100%,
makes the home.
100%.
Ukewayizwa indlu engena umfazi, it's cold as fuck.
Yeah.
Ayikho. Umfazi is the backbone.
Yeah.
Ume nje uyindoda, uba yindoda ubonakala ukuthi uyindoda emadodeni because of the wife that you have.
True.
Yeah, you understand? He who finds a wife finds a good thing. Hey, but lento lesesoqala singene enkonzweni, but let's not go. But yabona, when the center is broken, everything falls apart.
Yep.
And Nina, as men, you're supposed to be the head. But the head is a stratin, namantombazane,
Angisho manje Skips.
ihamba nobramendo, ihamba nosibanibani.
Angisho manje wena Skips. It's the way things have been manje, man. It's the way things have been. Hence why ngisho ngithi I blame a lot of our problems on the social media. A huge chunk of our problems, I blame it with my influence we've had on those social media things.
I blame our problems on not having discernment. Because guys, obviously, sonke
Okay, angiyazi mina discernment in what?
Ngizochaza ngithi yini discernment. It's the wisdom to know between right and wrong. It's the wisdom to know between yini ekufanele yini engakufanelanga, to suss out certain things, because
To discern.
because now, sharp, the social media people are showing things, but what do you like?
Exactly.
How wena ujola kanjani mawujola? Like what khohla ukuthi umihlali bamthengele iBentley.
Kanje.
What do you like? Asitshole mina sinjola noSiyanda, asitshole in our means. Angikwazi ukufakela uSiyanda ipressure engawo. Shaphu uSiyanda kumele ngimfakele ipressure ukuthi indoda asebenza.
Of course.
But hayi ukuthi manje Siyanda uyogcina yenza into ezirong.
Hayi leyo ukuthi it's either ngiyenzela kanje or ngiyakulahla or ngizoyithola elsewhere. Mawuzongitshela kanjalo hambisana so hamba uyahlanya.
We all just trying to get our legs. Asalungisi. Like if umuntu umoshile, I want to show you. I can warn you up.
Angisho sifundiswe lo. Sifundiswe ukuthi angisho manje ile propaganda yokuthi plenty fish in the sea. Thokoza wena kuthi. I mean mkhulu. Ile nto yokuthi inakunjani angisho manje ile propaganda leyo ukuthi la ma
propaganda, that's crazy.
So Ashemi youth here to foot our youth is worse. We don't, whenever there's a slightest inconvenience harm, like it's like a harm.
I'm like a hamba, guys.
I feel like
I'm not like a hamba.
I think another thing I'll talk about for red flags, ne? Yes, red flags, I think, but I feel like ezinye zezinto we might maybe over exaggerate. I think they won't. They shouldn't
Absolutely.
warrant ukuthi siyahlukana.
Absolutely.
Instead,
Absolutely. I
based
agree.
those ukuthi it's a learning curve ukuthi ayisana okay.
Must figure into an
Bayise kanje. Okay, ngiyabona. Let's do 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 because angeke umthole perfect umuntu. Uyamaka.
Akwazeki.
Uyamaka.
Akwazeki ukuthi
Yeah.
sifuna ukufika sekwakhiwe.
Yeah.
Kanti you
yeah.
need to know ukuthi lento masikhuphukisa angithi nyoba Bob of the Builder. Sikhuphukise yazofika phi because what if kuyabhidlika? Uzowazi lapho ukuthi sisebenzise siphi istina masase halfway through you understand
Exactly.
ukuthi sifuna ukuthola izinto sekunjalo so ufuna ukufika ubomeremi and then awazi ukuthi ekumedemini sifike kanjani yabona kuhle ukubuilda together mina mara I'm saying nami ngifuna ukuthola indlela
ngizoshazi wena Scapes yazi uyangikhumbula njengoba ukhuluma ngama Bob the Builder. Shame yazi usho nakwabanye abo sister nani mase nakhana ke ninomuntu wenu ungazikhohlwa nawe self.
Yes.
That's a fact. That's a
Yes.
thing you guys angazi nina nenze njani nina.
Eish.
Sentela konke and then the minute mhlambe something happens just a genuine thing mhlambe siyahlukana sekuwe lapha yana uhlelo yiwani uthi hayi mfethu ngimenzele sona so anginanengi ngimshiyela ungenzele. Yenze zakhe izinto now. Exactly.
What were you
Do a few
doing
things for yourself.
I think this is something that Engi Shukunovich, when we were talking about this whole thing, I see, yeah, sharp, I want a man on J, but angihlelanga man.
Yeah.
Angihlelanga. I mean, I want to go
Kuthala,
get my own
kuthala.
things. Ukuthi bese masasihlangene, my money is mine and yours is ours. Yabona. But angifuni ukuthi mawungishiya ngisale nginjalo. I've got dreams.
Yeah.
We all have dreams. I've got aspirations that I want a certain thing. Other people are content with being a mom and being a wife.
Yes.
And there's absolutely nothing wrong
it's
with
fine.
that. There's
It's
nothing
fine.
wrong with that.
It's fine.
For me, Futhi, there was a point where I thought I wouldn't get married, I wouldn't have children, none.
And then into stop vilifying abantu that choose to not have abantwana.
Yes, sekelani ukusivilifya.
Ikelani lento
And then bese thina masi proud ukuthi we don't have children bese nithi sibakhiphile
Yeah.
or what if asizali. Cha si right, we're just making that choice at this point
Exactly.
ukuthi we can't bring children kulo mhlaba kunjena
Exactly.
or anginayo leyo mali to fend for loyo mntwana loyo.
Yeah.
How? Bese nina nasivilifya. Also, let's not vilify people who've got children because nabo mhlambe bayathanda ukuba nezingane. Or whatever situation happened to lead to that, but we can't judge them. Umuntu nomuntu uphila impilo yakhe.
Exactly.
Umuntu nomuntu akanake yakhe impilo ukuthi kwenzakalani. If we took that energy that we invest in other people's affairs and we invested it
back to yourself.
to yourself, uzobona into engayenzeka.
Skebe
Yeah.
nemsujo like bajaja.
Oh what?
Amanzi.
Some water. No thanks, Gibbs. I'm okay actually.
Oh.
Nasikudala nje siyayivala le ndaba.
Oh.
Yeah, siyayivala.
Papa mina okay askisa athi ngeke indaba yamanzi.
Sesiyayivala vele Gibbs. So cela ukuthi uphinde ubuye futhi usivakashele khona lana eGirls Show.
Hayi ngibonga impela wena kaMashele ukuthi cha ningimemile namhlanje nisihambisile isimemo bekukude ukufika lana kodwa cha ngiyabonga impela ukuthi ngikwazile ukufika emagcekeneni. Sibonga impela ngani zakwethu. Siyabonga
Sithokoze njalo ke.
Impela sithokoze.
Sithokoze.
Wait, sesiyavala manje kamampela or
Yeah,
how what the fuck? Apart mesakhuluma masakura I could have sworn we're still making some points nyana.
Uzobuya. Sizokhuluma
Yo.
kahle. Sesihlelile.
Aye bangixosha kanjalo ke manje.
It's not like a
Ngenxa yamanzi. Sengipela amanzi.
It's not like a company yakho and stuff.
Ngiyoze ngithole nini ethuba lokuba phambili kwamakhamera.
Uzolithola
Ubonye
futhi.
thanda kube actually no shem.
You miss it.
I do prefer I won't lie, ne. As much as manje ngijabulile ukuba like behind the cameras, I do miss it.
And you're
from time
doing
to
an
time.
amazing job, by the way. I have to
Amampela.
say, yes.
Oh my gosh.
You're doing amazingly. How strike? Strike no more.
Yeah, I
I like how this is becoming a well-oiled machine.
yeah.
Yeah, kunalawo ma-hiccup,
but manje I think that's one thing I've always mentioned I think to you guys but about a good time. With every year we have there's some growth, man. There's some progress. Like noma unyaka uchincha angeke usithole lapho esikhona last year.
Nemanzi.
Nemanzi.
Last month
Exactly.
Last month bekuthuleke kabi compared to now.
True that. So no, man. it's really beautiful watching this thing grow. And yeah, man, as Bafetu, we have it. We owe it all to you, man. This is why we do what we do. This is why every day is eager just to share our thoughts. We know you guys
What's
love
on your
coming
mind?
through. Apart from good in Tandi Indap again.
Yeah.
But we really do appreciate your support, man. I mean, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. And manenibizaneni manintshele nabanye bafike just come through, man.
Masayina
Support,
subscribe
show
ningafiki
some love.
nibuke kuphela subscribe.
Exactly, ningabe nitanta lapha nihlahla ubutadada nqanext. Ngiyabona lapha ama video sewakuba 1000 views, mari subscription isesephansi. What the fuck?
What's going on, guys?
Subscribe, guys.
What's one
Kwenzakalani?
subscribe.
Hawu, kanti abantu benza
Thatha amafoni
njani,
wonke umuntu endlini usubscribe. Wonke umuntu e-YouTube endlini usubscribe. Cha ngiyadlala. Subscribe.
We are
Subscribe.
building here. We are building.
We're building. But yeah, guys, thank you for your continued support. We really, really, really appreciate it. Subscribe and like, comment, share. Tell the brother, the father, the mother, the grandma, the grandpa, the what, and the neighbor, and the my friend, the coolie.
Yes.
You tell him, Gucci, you make subscribe, coolie, you make 550. I give you 550. You subscribe. Okay, sorry. Subscribe.
But yeah, I'm guessing this is how we close it, nah?
This is how the cookie crumbles.
Ah, that's how the cookie crumbles.
Yep.
Yo, that
Yep.
takes me back and like not even to
Skips.
MMS or from my standy show.
Oh, really?
days.
That's how you guys would
That's
end
how
it?
I used to close it. Konje isho kanjani say that's how the cookie crumbles. Sawendi la fire next to my noodles. That's how the cookie crumbles. Don't forget, share, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Sikhona kuma Facebook, Insta, sikhona ku TikTok.
Usase islane.
Naku SMS isikhona.
Usase islane.
Yo, usase islane.
Oh, man.
Yo.
Man.
But yeah, it really has been an amazing journey. It's been an amazing journey. It's another thing about I think this whole situation, even how I got into podcasting, as if I've shared this story now, but I feel like my journey in this thing, in media, in podcasting, I've always known, okay, in high school and as much as being as and after, I've always had that fascination of it's either I know I should be cooking, if ganja, and I know I should have a business, it's either yokpega vele or and I know I should be in media. Funny enough, back then, I don't know why, but I had radio in my mind. And I had YFM, like in Jordan, because I used to listen to it a lot.
Same.
Always had
That's
that
where my
thing
love
with,
for radio comes from.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah.
It's like, and I'm be like, hey, good evening, everybody. It's the morning drive.
It's just fine.
Yeah. So, how I got into podcasting was purely out of chance, like purely in Tlantlanje. I remember Kevin, they had a show, Striker, called Either Box. So Kevin that day was supposed to be a guest for that show. Kevin was the guest that day for the show. So angazi nami bengiphaphisweni ngimbuza uBenin. Oh, I think I saw him post. Then I was like, man, this looks interesting. What were you doing here? I've been zile with my chance just for a sit down and shoot. Like, okay, just let me know next time when you're going. Let me
Also wanna see you.
I wanna see you. In my mind, angazi bengithi nyoyenzani, angazi inkosi impela ngabe ngiqamba manga, but I just had it in me ukuthi I lava ngathi ngifuna ubashayela ijiki. Wangitshela Kevin wathi that day he's gonna meet up with him. Hi, hambe vele. It hasn't told me still ukuthi awubani. I'm figure up. How? Striker?
No.
What? I'm like, how? These niggas must. I see another one. How? Krusty?
Oh.
How? Oxy? I'm like, must I know these guys?
Yeah.
Most about say high school in Nigeria. I'm like, how much chance were they? Sure. They do that interview, they chop it up, no, Kevin. And then afterwards, I had a meeting. Yamaz Lomfishana oh. meeting. Ngaz meeting yani, Maru Yamaz. I hlale vele athi asho ke Kevin athi ama-chance so manje hayi nange uStromino mfethu bekathi nje ufuna ubona and like Stromino khambani mfana. I'm like, hey man, like what you guys are doing. I'll be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'll be doing, but I'd love to be a part of it.
Be a part of it.
It's like angazi nyo inside mara ngathanda to be a part of it. Yeah. And then but okay, asibhaye isikele msama majita.
Angeni.
Hayi sifike vele but hayi nathi asazoyenza mara sisabona iplan.
Hayi.
Uzangicorrect if nginamanga strike. Uzangitshela yo off camera nami ngizonitshela ke nani. So siyafika isikhathi I think there was Cutie that day. Cutie was supposed to come for an interview. One of host yase Box Live was unfortunately not able to pull through. So there was that issue with I signed. Manje kuzohambani. Let me take a stab at it. Like, I don't know, man, but like, I'm like, I think it was at that time, where like, to be saying, say college, where it was during COVID. I was like, hey, saying that confidence, where like, let's take a stab at it, man. Spawn is pretty live, I figure. Hey, everybody, para sian of the batter. First time it's young, I'm young, then I used to do it.
No corny. Oh, you were so corny.
I'm in Jayokbala. Mina dog of life.
Skepsy.
I then I'm a cheetah. Strike I loved it like, oh shit, son. Oh shit, son. Son. Shit. They were like, no, man, intwana ngathi siyabona la ngathi une potential bafana siyazi. Angazi if lento, angazi if siyahlanya. Yeah, uthi angazi if siyahlanya. Mara atisibheke man, atisizamenyana yabo. I was like, fuck it, let's do it. But unfortunately, Uyazangisa was uqhubeka in the box. Just a few things happened. Then I took a rest at it, strike our time. Starting something new, dog. Must stand. Oh. So let's boy. I'm getting it.
Yeah.
I think our first guest was Ukwena. No. Not the first guest. First guest was Amanya Machita. And yazi bafethu yazi ngakhumbula. Anisifundiseni labantu guys. There were some guys, so ngathi the concept they had was practically Mr. D. Yelogish. They had that concept.
Abafunweni.
Mr. D. Bona bebiza ngegawulo. So lama shop lawa la elokishini.
Yeah, abafuni.
Do that thing.
Abafuni.
Yo wena. Hey man, ngifuna ukubathethisa labantu.
Hayi, angikwazeki.
Yo, Skepsy. Phela that was bebazodla manje phela. Mr. D lapho bengakafiki.
Bebazodla.
Into kunje.
Bebazodla lokudla bakhambisayo. What?
Well, yes, technically.
Technically. Yes.
So that was our first interview. Went really well, man. Went really well. So yeah, man, I think it showed me with that whole journey, Joe, been presenting ever since, or being interested in podcast ever since. But sorry about that. But what it taught me is the beauty of izinto zenzeka like ngesikhathi. Like I always had that thing in Gonde I'm gonna be in media, but I didn't know how.
You didn't know how. And you just let it go as I
let it go, yeah.
Everything is in letting go.
Exactly, podcast.
Do you know how I came to AMP?
How did you come to AMP?
Similar.
Is it?
Okay, but Striker hits me up. I need to start the radio thing. Recruiter.
Yeah.
I start the radio thing and then post my live. And you post my live. Uyaqala uyangidm ngithi lo mfana ozitshela ungifunani.
Ezitshela awuthi umfana olunge kangaka.
Hayi benga of which
right lo mfana man.
Uyaqala uyangidm sharp. We exchange numbers.
Yeah.
Sesiyabantu vela abacocayo lapha. My mom passes. We haven't even been friends for long. Siyayiqala friendship yethu, he shows up.
Wena nalo muntu lona uStriker naye bengakamjwayeli living at that time.
Yeah.
It's only man just trying but continue.
In that manner.
Continue.
How? Umuntu uyafika emncwabeni, hayi. No, ngathi chomi yamampela lelo. Hayi siyakhuluma. No, asho ukuthi no, I was trying to start ake ngisho ukuthi in no, nami vele ngulezo inhlelo lezo but
was it a porno?
Yeah. Yeah, but ngimtshela ukuthi no, nami ngiyayizama and ngayizama it failed.
Yeah.
It's fine. Ngoba sesila.
Yeah.
Ngeninye ilanga ngibukele ilokhu ngimamele i-musical excursion ngizwe ukuthi okay la improvement ingaba la ngithi kuyazi let me come through
Yeah.
ngizoyi-analyze ngibona ukuthi ngikusiza ngani ngikutshela ukuthi ngilungise kanjani ngibazenelele ngibabukele bashaya into yabo it's Kevin Kai Smith the most with the host yes you heard that right the most I don't remember what his intro was. That was his last time behind the mic. That day was his last time behind the mic. He never ever
I'm good evening. Striker. I remember my voice of the musical
I don't remember it. Shame. Angikhumbuli ngabe nginamanga. How?
Yeah.
Next week uyasho ubuye futhi next week subona
Yeah.
ukuthi improvement ku. Hayi ngabuya next week by set up. Ay mina ke namaslave.
Awe no wana kacheko.
Like
Kacheko.
athi striker ahlale ngaphi it's okay uzohlala.
What?
How ndoda?
I think I think ngene roughly the same way as you because nam angazi ustriker yini emenze wangicabanga ngemusical excursion but he just hit me up. I said dog.
And
Bengekho
when the first time
when I first came
yes.
No man, I think
No.
What?
Bengekho.
Oh shit. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Damn. Yo. Hi. Ngifikisa vele wathi ntwana mathenele lapha ngito.
Oh, I think it was because Bengule mental health leave nyana yami le. Yes.
Ngiyayibonga ke mental health. Wena hayi.
Ubonga depression yakhe.
Hayi siyabonga. Shout out to depression.
Shout out. Hey.
Yo.
Wait.
Cause vele it was really by chance man. Like yo. Angazi na strike. And funny enough, now Striker when he found me, Striker found me, discovered me in the slums of the east of Johannesburg.
Striker ulilwe. Yeah, recruit.
So I remember at that time, Namia actually had missed going back to podcasting. Fuck man, kumbula yazubuyela go podcast. But dingahlangana. Then Striker wangifika wathi dog. Siphathene.
And they wafika vele sesicala ukungena ku YouTube.
Iyabona
The first episode is with you, yeah.
Athi sayilesi bafana so I guess that. Ngafika vele chopped it up. Really had fun. And ndiyabona ke namanje
Usasekhona.
Sesekhona.
Hey, mara Striker mfana. Wait. Shout out Striker. Yeah.
And it reminds me very lento ukuthi I think final note ke then kamampela ke manje nyayivala
Struce Bob.
Yeah, Struce Bob. Apparently that phrase, I'm gonna digress a bit, it's actually as true as Bob.
Yes.
The fuck? So
Yes.
yimi kuphela beyangazi lento?
True.
Shit.
That's true as Bob.
It's true as Bob.
Yeah. I wonder bekwenze njani.
Hey Bob.
Ngisibuza the same thing ngoJames ukuthi umhlolo wakhe
Yo, wena James Nkosi yami.
James wavela umhlolo uye wayenza umhlolo.
Asazi bad. But the moment or life's corner manje I've realized that this is where we have to be or need to be. This is where we're meant to be actually because
yes.
the thing when no Striker in high school, like we were in the same high school, but we
From
didn't even
primary.
interact. I
knew Striker in my life for how many years? It's only 6 years of my life that I didn't know him.
Imagine.
So I knew Striker for 16 years.
Imagine.
16 years before we actually...
A whole teenager. Striker mina for me it was we were in the same grade, so obviously we were cool, but it's not like we were friends.
We weren't
friends,
yeah.
but we were cool. So it wasn't a good time. I met next set Joe Ferry, sharp Striker. Yeah. Nandi. There was also that weird instance I found out the parent uhlala next door nesihlobo sami. I remember seeing like house Striker. Like how next door.
No, what's the about my siblings?
Yeah. God only found that out, man. What? When again, Angiyibali ke.
Sayibali.
Angisayibali lo sisi bengamazi.
Asisayibali.
Even if uyasho yena ukuthi beyangibo.
No, but in high school, you wouldn't. You. There are people who knew me. I don't know how. Or it was probably because of my academics, but. You wouldn't notice. I would blend into the background. Because I was such a nerd, guys. Like, nerd. Like, only nerd. Like,
yeah, it was KFC.
Like, nerd.
So the fact that, Kabanga, if this thing was really into a good TV, we weren't meant to do it, or if it really was a hobby. Exactly. And then from back.
No, but manje so yazi manje ukuthi sizathu bekuyina ngisho.
Yeah.
So now you know why actually.
This is why it had to happen the way it is.
Yeah, ubona ukuthi zonke lezi zinto engazama kubona they were failing also because I did try to do this. It failed. But
exactly. Somehow it's working here. It's working here.
And this is the Yabana, when I tell you this is the only thing that has remained constant in my life. This is it.
Yeah.
This is it.
Nah, it definitely has been. Always been an avalanche after another. I love how in Jalo we think we've successfully healed. We're like, okay, we're on top of the hill. And then we see, there's another one.
You think there's another one?
Another one. Mina Skeps, I feel like there has to be. If there isn't, then it's cool.
Everything in life is like this.
Exactly.
Everything in life is like this.
Exactly.
It has
for us to grow, we have to. There has to be another problem.
You need to go up, you need to go down.
Yeah, there has to be another problem.
There has to be. There's always in number somewhere.
In number, Lorna. It's in abundance.
In abundance. But no chabula, no guacona.
Yeah.
The joy that is coming after is greater than the number.
But yeah, I must say, man, really has been an amazing journey.
It became one of the most life-changing things. When you said that. This really became one of the most life-changing things.
Definitely.
Life-changing.
Hey,
and you guys don't even know. But hey, story for when it's Hlangana for real.
Story for another day. So, bachela the story kahle mase studio sethu.
Maybe not even nalapho.
Sinalama asaphetanga lama mic seshanga lama.
Seshayenge boom.
Siphethe lama camera lanikwe ku ceiling.
Le ene train. Shanga camera ne train.
Ustrike akasekho la seka ku control room uthi no.
Yabona the light
switch.
Athi lungisa practical lapho.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
How dare you?
Yes.
How dare you? Yeah. Usebamphusha ngayo le train.
Yeah. Uyayibona le vision when escapes. So yeah, man.
Uyayibona vision.
Definitely. Sazokhula.
To the top, guys. To the top.
Infinity and beyond, man.
So infinity and beyond. Sivala kanjalo, folks. This is Yanda Mr. Mbata. Yeah.
This is why ungamncoma umuntu omnyama. Angazi bengisathini. I don't know why I said what I said before. Because what do you mean? What do you mean?
Hi, yeah, that's good.
That's how the cookie crumbles. Please do share, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their friend to tell their sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles, sisters, grandpas, nephew. Otherwise, it's your boy Mfanakasiyanda Mr. Mbata. Abafokazana bethiya ngamahlahla, amahlahla thiya ngenkomo. Ngisho yena mthiya indaba ezithi impela.
It's time to match, time of the Okay, it's time to match, time of the wave. You go fuck around and drown.
Off this way!